Welcome to Oblu Healthcare. We provide solution comprising of various equipments, consumables, finishing tools to manufacture aligners of higher grade. We enable all the labs, hospitals, clinics, colleges to manufacture their own aligners and to reduce their reliability on the international brands or the aligner providers. We provide advanced scanning technology that creates highly precise digital impressions of the mouth. We use the digital impression to design and plan aligner treatment using our advanced, high-tech software. Files generated by the software are converted into 3D models using world-class 3D printers. These 3D printed models are thermoformed using automated technology. The thermoformed models are trimmed and finished using automated technology, resulting in clean, precise, ready-to-use aligners. From installation to hands-on guidance, we don't just supply equipments, we partner with doctors, providing complete training to master every step of aligner manufacturing. We are serving clinicians working in the dental field with over 50 years of experience.